Imagine the grid goes down. Or maybe you're 20 miles into a mountain trek and your cheap bag strap snaps. In that moment, your backpack isn't just a bag, it's your lifeline. It's the difference between making it home or being stranded. Today, we are diving deep into the top 15 tactical backpacks for 2025 available on Amazon right now. We're talking military-grade Cordura, laser-cut Molle, and ergonomic designs that make 50 pounds feel like 10. Whether you're a professional operator, a weekend hiker, or a dedicated prepper building the ultimate bug-out bag, this list is your gold standard. Stick with me until the end, because product number 9 is a massive expandable beast that is currently disrupting the entire market, and product number 1 is widely considered the gold standard for elite operators. Let's gear up. Quick reality check, guys. Look at this. Over 95% of you watching right now are part of our silent squad. You watch, you learn, but you haven't hit that subscribe button yet. By not subscribing, you're missing out on my exclusive Amazon deal alerts and survival gear giveaways that I only share with the notification bell crew. Let's change that right now. Smash subscribe, join the elite gear community, and drop a comment saying "geared up" so I can personally welcome you. All links to these beasts are in the description below. Let's boost your kit. Also, we've officially launched our Gear Lab ESP channel for our Spanish-speaking crew. Check it out. The link is the channel description, and don't forget to subscribe to stay updated on all the latest gear and tips in Spanish. Also, we've officially launched our Gear Lab ESP channel for our Spanish-speaking crew. Check it out. The link is the channel description, and don't forget to subscribe to stay updated on all the latest gear and tips in Spanish. First on our list is the Direct Action Dragon Egg MK2. This isn't just a day pack. It's a 25-liter masterpiece of Polish engineering designed for professional operators. Made from 500D Cordura, it's built to survive abrasion that would shred standard nylon. What sets this apart is the combat vent system. Those contoured foam profiles you see on the back. They create air channels that keep you cool when things get heated. It fits an 18.9-inch laptop, making it the ultimate tactical-to-office bridge. If you want the most durable 25L pack on the planet, this is it. Shadow Gray or Coyote Brown. Which tactical color defines your style? Let me know in the comments. At number 2, we have the Mardingtop 35L. If you need more space without the bulk, this is your winner. It's crafted from 915D Cordura that is 10 times stronger than cotton canvas. It features a massive 35-liter capacity with a dedicated hydration bladder compartment. The YKK zippers are butter smooth, and a removable waist belt means you can strip it down for a light hike or bulk it up for a survival mission. It's a professional-grade rucksack that balances price and extreme durability perfectly. 35 liters. Is that enough for a 3-day trip? Or do you need more? Tell me your pack size preference below. Next up, the Ammy 32L Tactical Pack. This is the Swiss Army knife of backpacks. It's built from 1050D water-resistant polyester, meaning your gear stays dry during a downpour. With 7 specialized compartments, including a 17-inch laptop sleeve, it's designed for the organized prepper. I love the reinforced anti-aging buckles. These won't snap in the cold. It's the perfect blend of a professional work bag and a rugged assault pack. Who here carries a laptop in their tactical bag? Drop a laptop computer emoji if you use your pack for work and play. Need more room? The WLT 45L 3-Day Assault Pack is a heavy-duty rucksack built for the long haul. The 900D polyester is waterproof for those unpredictable bug-out scenarios. My favorite feature? The main compartment opens 180 degrees like a suitcase, making packing a breeze. Whether it's a gym bag or survival rucksack, the WLT gives you the volume you need with the tactical Molle expansion you crave. Would you use this as a gym bag or a 3-day survival kit? Let's see the tally in the comments. At number 5, we hit the heavy hitters with the Cookamia 50L. This is a massive 3 to 5-day expedition pack that surprisingly only weighs 3.3 pounds. It features a triple compartment system and double-stitch stress points. If you're worried about comfort, don't be. The The ventilated back panel and padded straps are designed to handle 35+ pounds without digging into your shoulders. Plus, the hidden back pocket is perfect for your CCW or passport. What's the heaviest load you've ever carried on a hike? Share your record below. For the purists, we have the Aminter 50L Alice Pack. This is a tribute to the legendary U.S. Army design, updated with 600D Oxford fabric and a robust iron frame. It's built to carry 40 pounds easily by transferring the weight to your hips via the kidney belt. If you're heading into a cold, wet forest or a desert, this iron frame beast is virtually indestructible. It's old school tough with modern reliability. Classic Alice Pack or modern Molle? Which side are you on? Comment classic or modern. If you like the volume of the Alice Pack but want the modularity of Molle, this Aminter 50L green rucksack is for you. Constructed from 900D high-density Oxford, it's high capacity yet weighs only 3.08 pounds. It's the ultimate unisex pack for hunting, camping, or emergency preparedness. The Army green aesthetic is professional and timeless. It's big, it's bold, and it's built for the wild. Is green the best tactical color, or is black still king? Settle the debate below. Don't let the size fool you. The Wotony 25L is a compact powerhouse. Built from 900D high-density fabric, it weighs only 1.79 pounds. This is the ultimate gray man pack. Low profile enough for the city, but tactical enough for an assault mission. It's waterproof, fits a 13-inch laptop, and features a hydration bladder port. It's the best value per dollar pack on this list for daily carry. What patch would you put on that Velcro strip? Tell me your favorite morale patch. Coming in at number 9 is the Mirramax expandable pack. And this thing is a literal transformer. It starts at a manageable 39 liters, but expands all the way to a massive 64 liters. It's made of 600D nylon and weighs only 1 pound when empty. If you're the type who goes out light, but comes back with more gear, this is your bag. It's the ultimate versatility play for hunters and travelers alike. Who else needs that extra expansion space? Smash that like button if you always overpack. The Coyote Tactical Assault Pack. This is the quintessential bug-out bag. It features a high-capacity design with heavy-duty utility cord pulls and full Molle compatibility. The Coyote tan color is perfect for arid environments or blending into the fall woods. It's a rugged, no-nonsense rucksack that has thousands of 5-star reviews for a reason. It just works when you need it most. If you could only keep one bag from this list for the apocalypse, which one is it? Comment the product name. Now for the elite tier. Meet the Mystery Ranch 2-Day Backpack. If you know the name Mystery Ranch, you know they're the gold standard for load carriage. This 27-liter beast features their signature 3-zip design. Stop digging through the top of your bag. One pull, and the whole main compartment opens like a duffel. Built with 500D Cordura and YKK zippers, it features an adjustable harness that actually fits your torso size. It's the ultimate urban mission pack with a padded computer sleeve and a sleek, aggressive aesthetic that screams professional operator. Mystery Ranch's 3-zip system. Is it the best invention in backpack history? Yes or no in the comments. If you're carrying high-end tech into a low-end environment, you need the OGIO Renegade. This isn't just a bag, it's a fortress. It features the RSS, Reactive Suspension System, which literally suspends your laptop so it never hits the ground if you drop the pack. It has 23 strategically placed pockets, including a tech vault, a crush-proof, hardened compartment for your glasses or expensive electronics. With 600D polyester and the HUB hybrid unibody back panel, it's tactical-grade protection for the modern digital warrior. If your gear is worth thousands, this is the only bag that makes sense. What's the most expensive thing you carry in your bag? A laptop? A camera? Tell me below. And number 13, we have a Himl 40L Assault Pack. This is the efficiency king. Engineered for 3-day operations, it uses 900D Oxford fabric that's remarkably water-resistant. It's got a massive main chamber and specialized organizational pockets that keep your gear from shifting during high-intensity movement. The side and front compression straps allow you to slim the profile down when you're not carrying a full load. For military personnel or emergency preppers who want a rugged, no-nonsense 40-liter rucksack that weighs only 2.5 pounds. This is the sweet spot. How many days of food do you keep in your emergency bag? 1, 3, or 7? Let's compare notes. Survival is 10% gear and 90% hydration. The Camel Box Barta is the apex of tactical hydration. It features a 3-liter mil-spec crux reservoir with a low-rider design, which keeps the water weight low on your hips for better balance. This is 33 liters of 500D double-rip Cordura nylon. It has a full clamshell opening, meaning you can lay it flat and see everything at once. Plus, it has dual antenna ports for radio ops. It's more than a pack. It's a life support system for the field. Coyote or black? Which tactical color stays cleaner in the wild? Give me your Coyote or black vote. Finally, the heavyweight champion, the Kflife 60L modular rucksack. This is a 4-in-1 system. You get a massive main compartment, but here's the magic. The front pocket detaches and becomes a tactical fanny pack, and the 2 side pockets are removable too. You can scale this bag from 50 liters to 60 liters depending on the mission. Built from high-density 600D polyester, it even comes with a dedicated rain cover. It fits a laptop, a hydration bladder, and enough gear for a week in the bush. It's the ultimate one bag to rule them all. A detachable fanny pack. Genius or overkill? I think it's a game changer, but what do you think? Comment below. There you have it. The 15 best tactical and survival backpacks on the market right now. From the floating laptop protection of the OGIO to the modular 60-liter beast from Kflife. Your perfect pack is waiting in the description links below. Wait, don't leave yet. If you found even one pack that fits your vibe, smash that like button. If you haven't subscribed to the crew yet, now is the time. Don't miss our next drop on the top 10 survival knives. Be ready, stay mobile, and I'll see you out there in the wild. Subscribe now, and I'll see you in the next one.